This will be a video of me crossing the tracks while the lights are flashing. I don't know what's going on, it's malfunctioning. I think it might be an electrical issue or something. There's your light. With your bell. The train's just clear. I don't know what's going on. There might be electrical issues in that box or something. That's what I'm guessing. Because there's nothing over there coming or over there. I don't know what's going on. The train just cleared like 5 minutes ago. I don't know what's going on. There they go. That wondered me for a second. I don't know what was going on. And there goes the gate. It must have been a little issue with the box or something. That's what I'm guessing. But they finally went up. I'm gonna cross the tracks and then close the video where I started it. And you see there's a lot of traffic right now because school's starting soon. I hope they don't activate again. I don't know what that was all about. You're gonna go view the tracks. Look at all that frost on them. All right, that'll be it.